Each time one of these pizzas is created as a clone, we need to start some code. Now the first thing I need to do is make sure my pizza is visible. So I'm going to go to looks and I'm going to choose show. Because the first pizza was hidden, this one needs to be, we need to make sure this one is visible. And then I'm going to set the speed for this pizza to fall at. So I'm going to go to variables and I'm going to say set. We've got to start off by saying set lives, change the drop down to speed. I'm going to set the speed to a random value and I'm just going to drag pick random number and I'm going to choose a random number that's between, let me just get a bit of space here, between 1 and 4. Okay, so it will be not too fast. And I'm going to make my pizza start at a random position as well. So I'm going to click on the go to XY in motion blocks and drag it in, and I'm going to start off and set a random position in the X value across here. So I'm going to go to pick random again to set my random value, and I'm going to choose a number that's between -200 and +200. So that will mean it's starting all the way over on the left, or nearly all the way over on the left, or nearly all the way over on the right. And that will just give it a random position. Now if I run that, you'll see every time I run it, the pizzas get moved to a different place, but they're in the middle of the screen in terms of how far down they are. So I'm also going to set my Y value to 150, which will just push them up at the top when they start off. So they're all going to start falling from a random place like that. Now we need to keep the pizzas falling down now, but we only want to keep the pizzas moving while we've got enough lives left. So I'm going to say repeat until, and I'm going to say we've got some more than one life left. So I'll just drag in a bit of code here, and I'm just going to say repeat, where we go, repeat until lives are less than 1, we'll say, I think. So I'm going to drag in the less than sign like that, drag in lives from here, and repeat until lives are less than 1, or until the lives are 0. We've got no lives left, and we're going to lose a life every time we drop a pizza. Now we want the pizzas to move down. Now if we put it move, for example, 10 steps, they're all going to move down at the same speed. Instead, what we need to do, we want them to move down at the whatever value the speed variable is. So I'm going to drop in there speed.